All right, you guys. So what we're getting ready to get into here is we're getting ready to put this tower on. We've got a bunch of electric that's getting ready to come through this tower. We'll show you here in just a few. You'll see here we got electric running in here, right in this little cubby. So it's on both sides of this tower. And what we're doing here to make life simple, so we know where our studs are, we've set two lasers down here on the curb and shining right where these studs are. That way when we put the tower right in front of it, open the doors, it'll tell us exactly where the studs are. We don't have to worry about measuring and being off any. So there you go. Give you the big view here. There you go. With that on, that's what we did. We got back there close to the wall and then slid our wires in. The box is right here. We had quite a few coming in here. So once the wires and everything are in here, I want to point out to you, if you're doing one of these yourself, it's probably best to show you that's a little tighter. Let me show you this one over here. So this is really, really crucial because you can see where the cutout is a little wider than the actual box. It's because this is a shallow, one of these little slide boxes, so they go in the hole and turn. And with having to turn, you need to be wider than your actual box or it won't go in and turn correctly. You'll never get that in there and you could risk breaking or cracking that cabinet. Once the faceplate goes on, it'll clearly cover that little bit of an edge. But that's kind of how you go about it. Shove that in your hole and then you turn as you go in and it pops it back there. So now we're getting ready to put up mirrors. And then we'll go ahead. We got a backsplash going in and we'll be dropping in sinks. All right, so we are over here at the pony wall and we have our heated towel bar that's going to go in. So this is the box that Tom and Billy were working on. We had to drill through all the marble. We already had our plates and everything staged in behind here with pictures, measurements, the whole 9 yards, so that we know exactly where the feet of this towel bar is going to go. And then we had meat in behind there. And then we also knew on the end result that we were going to have to drill through the marble and put a 4-inch by 5-inch box in here for the electric and everything. So we've got that ready to go for Mike as soon as he gets here. And now the tower's ready to go. We just installed our plate up here, which I told you was really cool because those screws that were up there in the box holding, you can let that entire thing drop down to the line you need. And then you zip that plate right up in there and that's the end result. There you go. Once it's installed, that's what it looks like. So the box sits right down there on the right corner. And that's it. It's actually, we zipped all that out of the marble. Huge box, 5x4. Recessed it right in there, sealed everything up. Mike got all the electric ran, and bam, there we are. Now we got power to it, and that sucker will heat up, keep your towels warm. So we got everything roughed in for our toilet. Okay, it's about as fancy of a toilet as you can get. We got everything roughed in. We got the electric back here for the bidet. We'll be sweating on all our parts here. Billy's over here getting this together as we speak. All right, y'all, look, check it out. We're going to give you a little sneak peek here. We got a sconce going right over the top of this guy. But this is the makeup area. I'm going to keep the other part of the bathroom out. We're going to be doing a video on that tomorrow, showing you all that. But you can just imagine, look at that. We got crown mold. We got a little band board we're going to put up here and then crown mold right tight to the ceiling. But look, let me show you this. Check this out. This is wicked. We had to hook all this up. Look at that. So this beautiful little mirror here comes on out. We left the plastic on right now, but getting that outlet in all them, plugs, everything. But look, here's the best part. Check this out. So that's totally cool. We love that. got a little switch right there, and it just right back in. Tucks right away. Soft closed drawers. And I want to, man, I tell you, Joel's Custom Steel Cabinets. Okay, they are out of Shelbyville. We've been rolling with Joel and them for a lot of years, and they do a boatload of our cabinets as far as manufacturing them and everything. And I just want you to be tuned in. Look at the quality of these cabinets. Look at how all their stuff goes together. Now, granted, we installed all this, but I'm just saying, them are nice. Okay, built really, really well. And Joel puts these little tape things here until we get our handles on. That way we can open up all this stuff, but just beautiful. Beautiful. We are so close, you all. So close. Can't wait to show you everything. We just don't want to spoil the surprise. Next day or two, we got you. Till the next one, you guys.